Welcome to HR Chronicle Payroll Management Software. In this video, we will look into how to set up roster in HR Chronicle and assign the employees to roster. What is roster? In the HR Chronicle, a roster usually refers to shift scheduling that controls employee attendance and work hours. Let us look in detail how to set up the roster. Step 1. Set up roster formula. To set up the roster formula first, we have to find the formula group so that the normal employees and roster employees can be separated. To create formula group, go to Business Setup, Formula, Formula Group. From the formula grouping, select Payroll Formula, click on Create New, enter the formula group name as roster and in filters add employee name. This is done for filtering from normal employees to roster employees. And click on Create. Step 2. Now the grouping is done and the roster formula can be defined. To define roster formula, go to Business Setup, Formula, Payroll. Click on Create New. Select the formula group which we have mentioned earlier, and select the leave calculation based on roster and fill all the necessary details and save. Step 3. After setting up the formula, now the roster schedule must be assigned to the employees. You can assign a roster to employees in 2 ways. 1. HR can assign a roster from the HR Chronicle. 2. Managers can assign a roster from self-service. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any update from HR Chronicle Payroll Management Software, the leading payroll management software in GCC region. Step 4. Let us see how to assign roster from HR Chronicle. HR user can set or view the roster for employees. This can be done every weekly or monthly basis. To set the roster, go to Time and Attendance, Roster. Here, the user can view or add the roster accordingly based on location, department, designation, and employee-wise. Select the roster type as monthly or weekly and select the date. Set the time for employees. There are 2 rows under each date column. The first block is for the first shift timing, and the second block is for the second shift timing. Once you click Save, the details will be saved for the selected week or month and date. Load from previous week or month. This option is used to load the previous week or month data to the selected week or month. If you want to copy the same timing to the next week or month, then you can use the above option. Or if there is different data for the current week or month, then do the same above option, edit the timings, and save. Let us see how managers can assign roster. Manager assigned to the employee can assign the roster. To assign, log into ESS of the manager. Go to Profile, Manage Team Roster. Select the roster type as month or week. Select the date and click on Search. The roster will be displayed based on selection. Select the date and click on the shift and edit the shift timing as per the choice and save the roster. Or click on Load from previous month or week. The roster will load of the previous month and save. Upload roster. Apart from entering the roster manually, the user can upload an Excel sheet if there are more employees. Let's see how it can be done. This method can be used in HR Chronicle and self-service. To upload from HR Chronicle, go to Time and Attendance, Roster. Select month or week and click on Download. The roster template will be downloaded. And edit the changes in the template and use the same path to upload the roster template. And click on Upload and browse the file and click on Upload. To upload from self-service, go to Profile, Manage Team Roster. Select the month or week roster and click on Download. The roster template is downloaded, and edit the changes and use the same path to upload the template and click on Save. The roster is saved successfully. Based on the roster schedule, the employee can view the roster schedule in the mobile app and ESS. To view an ESS, log into the employee ESS and go to Profile, Roster. The roster schedule will be displayed. To view in mobile app, log into the mobile app and click on Roster. The roster schedule will be displayed. To know more about the HR Chronicle features and for demo, call us or reach us on the details shown on the screen.